Hello everyone, I'm Alessia and I work for Gruppo Cooperativo CGM, a network of cooperatives and social enterprises in Italy. In this info peel, we're going to talk about the best strategy to manage our work team. To manage your team, it's important to focus part of your energy on the members of the group. The leader should act as a coach who motivates her team in reflecting on problems and addressing them, building upon the skills and experiences of each team member. The most important aspects to consider for a positive team management are active listening, emotional intelligence, non-verbal communication, and empathy. What differentiates a team with excellent results from one that struggles? Cohesion. The level of cohesion makes the difference. The more united our team is, the greater its effectiveness will be. What happens if we cannot build a collaborative environment within our team? The result is that competition wins over group cohesion. Please note, I'm not saying that competitiveness is a feeling to avoid. On the contrary, challenging yourself and overcoming your limits can help to boost the team. However, we must avoid the situation in which each member of the team thinks about her work, addressing it head-on and ignoring what the others are doing. The leader is responsible for making the collaborators aware that each member is equally important within the team. In this way, everyone competes first with herself and with her own goals, but at the same time, she may be able to see that every success of her teammates belongs to her too. Another important aspect concerning the management of a team is the ability to manage conflicts. We assume that in a team, the best way to deal with conflicts is through negotiation because it allows the parties to reach an agreement. Let's explore together the PDCA cycle, one of the most popular conflict management strategies. PDCA is the acronym for Plan, Do, Check, Act, and aims to provide each manager with the method for resolving conflicts in groups through 4 fundamental actions. Plan. In this first phase of the cycle, we need to identify the problem. We must not only find it, but also analyze it and discover its possible causes. Then, we need to define a potential solution. Do. It's time to act, implementing the solution we identified. So the leader's role is to guide and monitor the team in the correct implementation of the solution. Check. At this point, it's good to verify if the solution implemented is bringing positive results. We can consider it as the experimental phase of our project. If we see that we are not getting what we planned, we should go back to point 1 of the cycle and start over again, trying to identify what we forgot to analyze or the mistakes we made. Act. In the last phase of the cycle, once verified that what we have achieved works, we should turn this solution into a standard in order to have an effective tool at our disposal if the problem arises again. As we have seen, PDCA cycle is a useful and simple methodology that helps to systematize and structure the management of conflicts that may arise within our team or any area of our company. Before concluding, here are just a few more tips to make our team cohesive, motivated, and ready to make a difference. Communicate directly and transparently. Offer a clear view. Delegate in an appropriate manner. Provide feedback and recognition. And lead by example. Now it's your turn. Let's build your team.